Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can unblock account on Instagram. Maybe you want to unblock account on Instagram but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can unblock an account on your Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. And then in here, you'll be directed into your Instagram homepage. From here, you'll see your Instagram icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. And then in here, from your profile page, tap on these three lines at the upper right corner of your screen. And then here, select Settings and Privacy. And then in here, you have to scroll down and you'll see here who can see your content. Below that, you'll see a black. Tap on this black. In here, to unblock accounts, simply you can find the accounts that you're blocking here and tap on here the unblock button. After that, there will be a pop-up option. You'll see here, unblock Stoic Mind AI. Stoic Mind AI and other accounts they may have or create will now be able to request to follow and message you on Instagram. They won't be notified that you unblock them. Tap on this unblock button. And as you can see, you haven't blocked anyone. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can unblock accounts on Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can unblock accounts on Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.